Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Let us welcome our brother who was once a witch for his testimony. Please listen and be blessed. Don't be scared.
Everybody come and go.
Oh, why you me my
Everybody.
Hallelujah! I was once a witch. My position then is to use mineral, granules, and biscuits, even puff-puff, to initiate people. Ever since I came to this place, Brother Solomon prayed for me, and I got my deliverance. And now, I'm no more a witch. So, I bring this mineral, granules, biscuits, and even puff-puff, so that you people can eat and drink and celebrate my deliverance with me.
Jesus! Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want.